Hey guys, so today's video is going to be my Ipsy bag video. We're gonna walk through my Ipsy bag, try on a couple products, and see how I like this month. I do quickly want to say I'm so sorry there was no video posted on Monday. Thursday night before I went to bed, I was like laying in bed and I was like, oh no, my nose is stuffy. And that's like the first sign. Once my nose starts to get stuffy, I'm like, there's a cold coming. And when I woke up, I had the sniffles, I was coughing, and I just had kind of like a cold this past weekend. But I feel better today, and I wanted to do something just a little bit more laid back, like my Ipsy video. Sorry there isn't something more exciting going up today, but I had to get this up and you know, I wasn't feeling the best. So I thought this was the perfect in-between kind of video. But anyway, do you like my shirt? I know you do. I know you do. But let's get started. Alright, so you guys know the drill. I like to see what's in my Ipsy bag before I show you so I know what products to put on my face. I mean, I know I explain it every month, but I feel like sometimes I get new subscribers through my Ipsy videos. But anyway, this is what the bag looks like this month. It's so summery to me, and it's like January. Right? No? Is that just me? I don't know. So the first product is this guy. This is the Dermelect Microfacial Exfoliating Masque. And I'm pulling up Ipsy on my phone so I can tell you like what this costs, like the full size. Because this is a deluxe sample of this. The full size is $38. And this is supposed to be a multi-brightening complex that immediately restores complexion from lackluster and dull to luminous and radiant. And I actually used this right before I sat down to film this video. It says you're supposed to massage this onto damp skin in circular motions and then leave it on for 12 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water, and that's what I did. And honestly, I liked it. It's like an exfoliator and a mask in one. It made my skin feel really soft. I mean, most exfoliators do. I don't think there's anything special to it, but there's nothing negative about it either. I don't know, I feel like I have to use this a little bit more to see if it's like a staple for me or not. I feel like it did what it claims to do. My skin looked really bright and like healthy looking when I took it off. So I really liked that. Good stuff. I mean, this is a really nice sample. You could take it with yourself when you're traveling, or I mean, I like the size. Okay, so the next thing in the bag is the weird product. This is the product that I didn't quite understand. This is from a brand called Evolue. It says Lou or Leo here on the front, but when you go on the website, it's like Evolue. I cannot say this word. Totally pronouncing that wrong. But this is the Balance Hydrating and Calming Serum. And I feel like this is really strange, at least for me. It says you're supposed to apply a thin layer after cleansing, use morning and night. And that's what I did. I mean, I cleansed my face with this. This is like a mask, and then after I like cleansed my face, and then I went in with this before I went in with my makeup. And at first this did feel nice and soothing and hydrating like as I was applying it. But the second it sank into my skin, it was like it was completely gone. Like this sinks into the skin and then it disappears. So I don't find this to be very hydrating at all. Quite the contrary, I will say, because as I was sitting there, I was letting it sink in. I was about to apply my makeup. My face felt really tight. Like I was going like this, and it felt like just kind of like a film over my skin, and my face just felt tight. But when I would touch my face, it was like nothing was there. I don't know. This is a little strange for me. I'm gonna look into it a little bit more. There was some good reviews online, so I want to see if maybe if I use this underneath the moisturizer. I mean, I don't know, but I didn't find this to be hydrating like whatsoever. But that's just me. If you got this in your Ipsy bag this month, let me know. Like, did I do something wrong? Is it supposed to feel that way? My skin is super dry, so I don't know. All right, so next up, we've got this. This is an eyeliner from the brand BellaPierre. I feel like we always get this brand in either a BoxyCharm or an Ipsy bag. This is the gel eyeliner, and this is a green color, which is kind of awesome for Ipsy to send, because I would have expected them to send a black or a brown, but I have a million of those. I mean, obviously this isn't as wearable as a black or a brown, so I'm sure a lot of people at home were like, yeah, I would have preferred a black or a brown, but I think it's kind of cool that it's green. This is in the shade Metallic Green. So I'm gonna try it out. I hate these little thingies. Plasticky papers. I always end up using my teeth. I feel like they purposely make it impossible. Like they do it on purpose. I gold teeth. I'll zoom you in. All right, let's see. Ooh, this actually looks really nice. I feel like other BellaPierre eyeliners we've used in the past, like with Ipsy, have been like wooden eyeliners. Am I making that up? I don't know. But anyway, just gonna apply it to my waterline. See how this goes. Okay, you really have to apply some pressure because it doesn't really glide on the waterline. But if you apply it directly to the skin, and not on the waterline, it does. It does show up. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, this was a little bit of a struggle. You guys saw as I was trying to apply it to my waterline, it really wasn't showing up on the waterline, but once I put it like on the actual skin and smudged it out, it did give me a nice green eyeliner look. I mean, I like the color, you can totally see it's green. It's just very rough and it's not something that's gonna glide right on. It's not super creamy. It's definitely more on the waxy side. Yeah, not my favorite for sure. It was too rough. It was like, alright, so this next product is actually freaking awesome. This is the Balm Mary-Lou Manizer. This is a classic highlight. Like, there was a point on YouTube where this was everyone's favorite highlighter. It was 100% a cult favorite. Everybody was wearing Mary-Lou Manizer. This was like when I started YouTube, and it was big. It was so big, for good reason. It is the most beautiful champagne highlight ever. I don't know why people don't talk about it anymore. I mean, neither do I, so I guess. But it really is stunning because it gives you like an intense highlight while being natural at the same time. And I actually like this little sample size because it's like the size of an eyeshadow. You can take it with yourself traveling, use it as an eyeshadow, and use it as a face highlight as well. And of course, I'm gonna pop some on my cheekbones. It really is like the perfect bridal highlight. Alright, so this definitely gets an A+ from me. I love this highlight. Definitely the highlight of the bag so far. Ba-dum-tsh. And then the last thing in the bag I'm actually really excited for as well. I haven't tried this color. This is from the brand Nudestix. This is the Magnetic Matte Lip Color, and this is in the shade Joyce, which looks like a delicious, beautiful brown. I cannot wait. Okay, so I'm just going to apply that. I actually really love the size of this. This fits right into your little purse, even your tiny little clutch. Even those little wallet purses that you put your phone in and like your ID and like a credit card, even in there. You could like slide this in there. This fits anywhere. I don't know why it's called the Magnetic Matte Lip Color though. Like, why magnetic? Oh my god. Joyce, you speak to my soul in ways that I can't explain. Okay, so this product just made the entire bag for me. Things were looking a little rough there, I'm not gonna lie. But these two products they just did it for me. Especially this, like this made the whole bag. Because I honestly feel like I would pay $10 for this. I love this color so much. And my Ipsy bag is $10, like that's how much I pay for it. So this month was totally worth it. For this. I love this color. I know it's really dark, really vampy, super intense, but oh my gosh, I think it is so cool. It's stunning, and I love these Nudestix. Oh my gosh, and barely any transfer. I think I have found a new lover. I'm so excited. Oh, Joyce, we're gonna have great times together. But anyway, guys, that was my Ipsy bag. I just realized I wasn't telling you guys the prices of anything. I was off to a good start giving you the price of the full-size item of this. But my mind is just all over the place. So I will have the prices down below like I always do. Are you happy with your bag? Let me know down below. Let me know what you got in your Ipsy bag this month. Did you love it? Did you hate it? Were you like, what? Like I was with a couple of these things? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. But yeah, guys, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. So, I don't know what the deal is with this, but I'm a little bit confused. There was one point on YouTube where this was like the cult. Did I spit everywhere? And then the last thing in the bag, that wasn't even a word, wow.